Well, Stacy, what would manufacturing be without some technical skills? You got to have some of that, huh? Could be a master at a bunch of stuff that just doesn't work. Or what can you bring in terms of training for technical skills?
That's a great question. You know, I think this is honestly one of the areas where I could really shine because I've got deep manufacturing experience, which a lot of folks that do training don't have. Typically, they're coming from an HR, sort of, org development kind of background. I was fixing cars and doing plumbing and drywall since I was a kid. I worked in manufacturing from the time I was, 21 till in my mid 30s, and I support manufacturing companies and associations to this day. That's one of my passion areas. So technical skill development really takes a special person to be able to talk the talk, to build rapport with your subject matter experts, to identify what really are we doing in this process to build this product or deliver this service or run this process at your manufacturing facility, and break it down into these chunks that then go into sub points and building the content, bringing in the right style of delivery, whether it's in person or virtual or hybrid, whether it's me, whether it's other experts or voiceovers or animation. I've really done it all. And then the most fun and important part is building an assessment that really reaffirms people are getting those skills across. So I'll give you an example. I was working with a company that had gotten some CBER Phase 1 funding from the Department of Defense to turn an in-class training program around large-scale metal additives, so big 3D printing, into an online course. So that group reached out to me and said, "You're the unicorn. You have a material science degree. You understand, additive manufacturing. You've worked in manufacturing, and now you specialize in training and development." So they really leveraged me as that lead instructional designer to look at all the existing content, to talk with the researchers and PhDs at the universities, to talk with the audience of these courses, to build this online course, to partner with third parties to do videos and simulations and animations, and to build a very robust final assessment where I had, people leaving voicemails for me acting as different levels in the military, presenting a problem for the assessment. We had a framework where people could put in, different numerical values and get feedback on what they were saying. So we built this amazing program that was so good that we were able to secure Phase 2 funding.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, you're pretty good at this training stuff and building training stuff, aren't you, Stacy?
And I really like it, which makes me good at it.